I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off hot corners on your Apple iMac or MacBook. Step 1. Click to open the System Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down the menu on the left side of the window and then click Desktop and Dock. Step 3. Scroll down to the bottom of this screen and then click Hot Corners. The Hot Corners window opens where you'll see all of the hot corners you currently have set up. Step 4. Click one of the hot corners you want to turn off to open a menu. Click to select the dash icon at the bottom of this menu. Repeat this process for any other hot corners you want to turn off on your iMac or MacBook and then click Done. Those hot corners will be turned off and no longer active going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.